If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Welcome, my friends, back to my channel. Yeah, the channel where you can find just about anything that's exciting, that is fun, wacko, but also on the serious side when I do reviews. I enjoy what I do. I love what I do. It's my heart. Do you understand that? So, this is the time of year of giving and for praying for those in need. I'm going to do a special video on a very special friend of mine that is ill and needs our prayers. She is a pen enthusiast. Real quick, before I do mail call, so what makes her so special? Well, in my book, she helps her community. She helps the people that are in need, food banks, gather clothing, food, whatever it takes. And she's raised her kids with that same kind of respect for others. Very good lady. The kids are dynamite. So, with that said, she also contributes a certain amount from her store. And she also raises money for the Breast Cancer Association. So, I'm going to do a special video in her honor. That's very touching for me because she's a very special lady. And I just think the world of her. And I know if you would ask any of her staff, they would tell you she's tops. So enough of that or I'll start crying. So here we go. Mail call. Da, 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 da. Now we did this the other day, but our little chip starts breaking. So I don't know, we lose so much stuff and got to redo it. Bleh. So here we go. And this is a beautiful pen. This is my new Conklin, the one that's come out. Nah. My new Mont Blanc. Nah. Okay. Pilot. So let's take it out. And this is my Hero Chinese pen. Beautiful pen. Look at that. Just, you got a good zoom in on that, Mr. Announcer? Okay. He's shaking his head. Yes. So let's unscrew it so we can show you the nib, the heart of the pen. And hey, it even has a window for the piston filler, right? Wow, now this is heavy duty stuff. Sure is. I am so in love with this pen that I will fill it this week, and we will do, you and I, if you join me, we will do a video on it. So before I go, a while back I've done some videos on this. Here is the Grip 6 belt. And here's the one with Texas, kicking it, and the belt. Now I've already done videos on it, but I'm going to do quite a few more. And let me show you a different color that I've had. Now I wear these quite a bit. Great belt and buckle. This is the only one you're ever going to need. For real. I'm not just trying to say it because it's the truth. And gals, it's for you too. So if your hubby, boyfriend, whoever says no, you just say, wait a minute there, partner. Yes, here's a nice black one. And let me see. La la la. And here is a beautiful blue. Isn't that pretty? And here is my bug. Isn't that beautiful? A special thank you to Grip 6 for doing this for me. I really, really appreciate it. You guys rock. Okay. Last but not least, again, this is Mr. Announcer's belt. And that's going to wrap it up for today. God bless. Peace and love. Bye-bye.